Hello guys, this is HairSome John speaking. Today I would like to share with you this rechargeable car vacuum cleaner. Here is inside the box. Here is the box. Okay, let's check the unit and what inside. There's a brush, USB charging cable, extension lamp, extension cord. Okay, like this. It's the extension here, like this. Like this. Not here. It's also not here. This one extension. Okay. There's a security label here. Here. Turn on. Okay, and also can use this extension like this with a brush. Here we press and take out this plastic fan. Okay, here the filter can wash and change. Okay, so what do you think of this model? If you have any interest, just send me inquiries. Thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing, here's the USB charging cable. We can use this. Here is the green color. We do charging. Here is red color. So when it changes to green color, means it's fully charged. Now it's red color. Okay. So it's very easy and universal charging. Okay, so if you have any interest, just send me inquiries. Thanks for watching.